what is the product that CMRP will give to us? The CMRP will be giving us this very, very expensive product. It is called SMRP, body of knowledge. The body of knowledge is the science that we need to learn to be good professionals. What is the power of this body of knowledge? The power of this body of knowledge is that it has the whole basis that you should have in order to have a good building. If you need to build a home, you will put 4 columns in order for the building to sit on them. Here, it's like it's same case for us as a maintenance and reliability professionals. If I need to build the maintenance and reliability building in myself, I should understand the 4 or 5 pillars of the maintenance and reliability body of knowledge. So if I have these pillars and I already have them set up into my mindset, then I will have the good building, the great building of the maintenance and reliability organization. To know more about it, just to tell you for very brief example, any organization will require to make an investment. What will be the value? What will be the need for that investment? The need for that investment is that we need to have some profitability. We need to have some value. We need to have some competitive advantage in comparison to other countries. This country makes, for example, oil and gas platforms in order to be profitable and to gain a lot of money in order to be able to be prosperous economically. Other company in need to have maintenance and reliability projects being built in order to be able to have the necessary industries that is required for self-sufficiency for this country. For example, the army industry. The army industry, it's mandatory for any country in order to be able to defend itself. So this is the value. So the value here can be economical value, and the majority of companies are requiring profit. That's why we will take it. But also it can be another area, like the case of the army. So here, any company, any organization needs profit. So this is our requirement. In order to make this profit, what will I do? I will start to select a specific process. This process in its most complex form. For example, if I have a refinery, what will be the refinery composed from? So here I need to have some profit. So I decided to build a refinery. So this refinery will be from specific equipment. So in order to have my equipment working fine, I should design them well, and I should add the necessary maintenance program for them. And after having the good equipment and good design and good installation and good commissioning, I should maintain the equipment. So here we are focusing to know our main target, which is profit. After that, to choose our process that we will be taking. After choosing our process, which is refinery, we need some equipment to install on the field, on the ground, in order to be able to produce the oil that we are producing. While these equipments are operating, it will deteriorate, it will have some failure. So we need to protect our equipment from failure by doing some maintenance activity, by doing some work management. Who will take the decision here? People. Who will build the process? People. Who will maintain the equipment reliability? People. Who will make maintenance activity? People. So for every one of the 4 pillars, we need leaders. And also, we need to manage people. So it's very important to have our organization and to have leaders and to be able to learn how to manage people in order to manage the whole maintenance and reliability organization. Imagine that you are having the best company, the best process, the best equipment, but you do not have the enough and the necessary leadership skills You are not able to motivate your team. You are not able to let them innovate and make their best in order to improve your plant. In this way, you will not be able to excel in your industry. And this is the core of the maintenance and reliability profession. This is the core of the maintenance and reliability profession, is that we need to link ourselves to our business context, okay, through the pillar number one. After that, we will need to know the process context, how to operate the whole plant, how to improve the whole plant, then how to install the proper equipment, how to choose the proper equipment, how to design the proper equipment, and then how to maintain the proper equipment. The maintenance activity that's being done here, it's already decided here in the pillar number three. So in the pillar number three, we will be learning how to put specific maintenance program. After knowing how to design, you will know how to design a maintenance program. So here we are designing the equipment and designing the maintenance program. After that, we will need to implement this designed maintenance program in the most proper way. And then we need to optimize this maintenance program in order to have profit, in order to have value to our organization. Okay, this is the body of knowledge. This is the power of body of knowledge. You are having yourself linked to the business context. Also, you are managing the reliability on the process and the plant level. You are managing the reliability on the equipment level. You are maintaining all your equipment based on your equipment reliability. And also, you are having the tool that will allow you not only to manage the equipment, but also to manage the people and empower them and lead them in order to deliver the requirement that will fulfill the needs of the shareholders, the needs of the organization, the needs of the business people to realize the profit to the organization. Also, as part of this body of knowledge, you will know how to think, how to take decisions. For example, I know now the profit, it is my target. I know the value. So whenever I take any decision to make maintenance or not to make maintenance, to choose this equipment, to choose this pump, or choose this compressor, or do overall for this compressor, or replace this fan with another type, all these decisions should be based on the value, cost versus benefit. I will make an investment. The investment can be 1 hour of maintenance. It can be $1,000 of buying an equipment versus the benefit. If I will pay $10,000 and I get a profit of $20,000, so I will go to this choice. If it will not be justified from the cost benefit analysis, I will not do it. Why? Because all of us is now linked to the value principle, which is based on the body of knowledge of the SMRP, which is the power of the CMRP certification. This is the most important slide that you should understand very well in this course.